Hey guys, I'm just coming in here real quick at the beginning to let you know there is a surprise in the middle of the video that you guys are definitely going to want to see. I'm so excited. I know this lipstick is too bright and I don't care. It's my channel, I do what I want, so. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing bright, fun, summery, neon-y looks. And with what? I had to get these. I mean, these are adding so much to my collection, you guys. Look how beautiful these are on the outside. I haven't even shown you the inside yet. Just a little bit about them. They are slightly more expensive than her regular Obsessions palettes, and I think it's because this packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's like so reminiscent of the 90s. Oh my god, I love it. I'm not gonna go through the palettes in order. I'm just gonna, do whatever's on top and work my way to the bottom. So, the first palette is the Neon Orange palette. And by the way, did I say these are $29 or did I just... They're $29. So this is the third look if you guys are interested in the orange palette. As always, I will have the looks first so you can jump to whatever one you want to see first. It's in the timestamps on the picture, or you can just watch all three looks. By the way, sorry if it's dark outside because there's a thunderstorm. If you guys hear thunder, I'm sorry. Let's move on to this. I did swatch all of these. They are all on my Instagram. Alright, so this is the Neon Orange palette. I did use every single color in this palette, and I actually used this shade right here in two separate looks. So you guys will see that shade twice. These are beautiful. I do notice the shimmers are a little difficult to work with, and they kind of chunk up and flake off, and they don't really go on very nicely if they're wet. They're so pretty, I don't care. The mattes are absolutely beautiful, and they are very bright. I am super happy with this look. I feel like I'm just so... Here is the swatches for this beauty right here, the Neon Orange Obsessions palette. And my handle. I'll put them under every single palette for you guys. But I really loved the variety of colors with this palette. I love this look so much. So the second palette is actually the first look. Yes, and this is my Strawberry Lemonade look, which is hilarious because it's pink and purple. You'd think this would be the Strawberry Lemonade look, but you know what? I do what I want. It's my channel, I do what I want. I did use 8 out of the 9 colors. The only one I didn't use was this pastel purple right here. And I kind of had the same issue with the shimmers, you guys. This shade right here is more of a topper. It is very sheer, and I did use it as a topper over the top of a pink shade. Here is the swatches for the Neon Pink palette right here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one was so much fun. No, those aren't real water droplets. Those are actually resin that I dried to look like water droplets, and I can put them on anything now and it just makes it look wet. I did use all the shades in this palette. This palette was so beautiful and romantic. And here is the swatches for the Neon Green palette. And this one was just so soft and romantic. Sorry, that's my daughter's barking like a dog in the background. She's 3. Just let her be a puppy. Let's go ahead and take a look at these 3 looks. They do have the timestamps, and you guys can go to whichever one you want. I hope you enjoy these. my eyelash glue is currently drying, so excuse the little white patches that are there. But for blush, oh my god, this smells so good. I'm going in with Benefits California, and it's a really pretty, I would say like corally, like a soft muted coral. And this is going to just be very bright and fun, strawberry lemonade vibes. So I really want to be just as bright and fun as possible. So for lips, I'm actually going with Dose of Colors in Pinky Promise, and then I'm going to put a gloss over the top of that in Brilliant Fuchsia from Jordana, and it is beautiful. It matches the palette perfectly. It even has like purple glitter in it, so I thought this would be perfect with this palette. No. No. Okay. No. Okay, I found it. All right, I am going in with, this is actually from BoxyCharm, and I actually love it. This is the Artist Couture, and this is in Purple Dream. So this is a beautiful peach, and it just has a slight hint of purple in it. And yeah, we're gonna do this. It's not too crazy. It is super beautiful though. So here is the first look, you guys. Let me know what you think of this strawberry lemonade look, and let's move on to the second palette. Just a quick little excerpt on this. It does crack. Does anyone have any good suggestions for a white eyeliner? I also have Graceland, and this one is not the bright white that I've been looking for. And what it does is it just seems to go over whatever color you put it on and turn it a pastel shade of that color. I really need a bright white like this that doesn't crack. And I am creating kind of a swoopy dupe, but not like a really long swoopy dupe, just kind of a little short swoopy dupe with this look. Aw, I like it. Okay, let me put on lashes and mascara. And you guys, I have a surprise to show you. I think you'll like it. Alright, you guys, before we start the rest of the phase, I just want to show you guys something. I got it from my graduation present. I smell like pizza. Oh my goodness. This is my graduation present, and you guys, look at it. Look how tiny it is. This is Kenobi, like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh, Gigi, I love you. Oh, you're so cute. Good thing I don't have on lipstick yet. And he's a little Yorkie poo. We're gonna give him a bath tomorrow. We just got him. He's got little eye boogers, but look. You guys. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I just put on this eye makeup and now I'm about to cry it off. He's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go give you back to Daddy. I gotta finish up this video. Yes? Yes? Oh, you're so cute. Alright, you guys. Let's finish this look. Alright, for blush, I am going in with a Flower Beauty blush flower pot in Warm Hibiscus. I really liked this coral shade in the palette. It was beautiful, and I really kind of want to bring in a little bit more of a coral shade. Look, it has this beautiful, like, gold sheen to it. Oh, it's beautiful. Alright, for highlighter, I'm going to be mixing these two together. This is Pixie by Petra in Subtle Sunrise. And just swiping this over as highlight. Sorry it's so dark, you guys. I mean, this thunderstorm has been terrible for my lighting. So it's just getting darker and darker. This is what happens in a sunroom when you have no sun. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to do a beautiful coral, and it's Fenty Beauty's Unattached. And it is a very pinky coral, so I think it'll look really pretty with this. I don't know, though. We'll see. Yeah, it's fine. I like it. Whatever. What's funny is it looks a lot more muted when I put this color with other colors on my eyes, but because these are so pastel, this is very bright. Alright, you guys, there is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Now, let's move on to, my sunrise look. It's so bright and beautiful. I loved it so much. You can stop here, add eyeliner or whatever else you want. I want to just add a little bit of glitter on the top and the bottom to give it a more festival-y kind of vibe. This is extremely bright and I think I just want to go crazy with it. So I am using Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and it's just a really beautiful gold, and I'm just going to put it like right on the top and a little bit on the bottom lash. So for blush, I was talking and not recording. I do this all the time. I went in with Bang Beauty Smoked Peach. It is a really pretty peach with some gold in it, and since it's raining outside, I want to feel as summery as possible. Although, gotta say, I'm thankful for the rain because it is not a million degrees in my sunroom right now. No one likes sweaty knees. Oh, that just gives me a really pretty glow. I love it. Alright, and for highlighter, I do want to do something gold and bright. So, I think I'm actually going to go in with this sleek Solstice palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And for lips, I'm going in with ColourPop's Villains Collection in Maleficent, and I want to bring in kind of like a purpley pink color. My hair is stuck in my necklaces for like the 80th time. Stop. That's there forever. Here is the final look. Let me know which one was your favorite. Thanks for sticking around if you stayed till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!